Good afternoon, welcome. This is Neco year 2019 English test of oral past question 43. So the same instruction is used in answering this question, which is looking out for the option that has different stress pattern. Then take note that in two-syllabic word, noun takes its stress on the first syllable, while verb take its stress on the second syllable. So the first option here is ballot. So we have two syllables here. We have ba and lot. So this is where we have our first syllable and our second syllable started from this place. Then the second option too, take note that ballot is a noun. So noun belongs to noun class. Then behead, two syllable, 2, 1 and 2. There is an action word there, therefore it is a verb. Then behold, this is the first syllable, this is the second syllable, it is an action word too, then it is a verb. Then option D, compile, it involves action too. This is the first syllable and this second syllable, then it is a verb. Then option E, except, we have the first syllable here and then we have the second syllable here. This is the first and this is the second, then it is also a verb. So by this standard, it means that the only option that has its stress on the first syllable here, it is option A, because option B, C, D and E take their stress on the second syllable. Therefore option A takes its stress on the first syllable. Therefore A is correct. Thank you and God bless you. Kindly subscribe for more of our videos.